Have you ever wondered that ChatGPT can actually be used as your trading assistant? Yeah, not just for search or analyzing text, but for getting signals to enter the markets. So in this video, we're gonna put it to the test and see how well AI can help us to make accurate trades. I'll show you step by step how I ask the questions, how we analyze the answer, and how we open a trade after. And who knows, maybe ChatGPT is gonna be even better than all of the indicators and strategy that we're using. So get comfortable because this is gonna be really exciting. Get yourself coffee or tea, what you prefer, and let's get started.
So guys, let's get started. I'm really excited how we're gonna make it today. So first of all, let's find the currency pair that we're gonna trade on. As you can see, it's not that many currency pairs in the real market for now, because it's, for example, Euro and Canadian dollar. So I already texted the question to ChatGPT. I just changed the currency pair here, CAD, and we send it to the chat. But guys, I really recommend you to save my prompt because that's how you need to text the ChatGPT. Some of the people texting like really short, for example, just give me a signal for this currency pair. And of course, it's not working that well. So you need to text, analyze the currency pair and make a thorough and detailed forecast. Where will price go in the next 5 to 10 minutes, up or down? Be sure to double check yourself and give me an answer with up-to-date data. So it's thinking pretty slow, but it's fine. Searching the economic calendars for the events, assessing short-term trends, forecasting, movement based on the factors. As you can see, it's analyzing a lot. And finally, here it is. Here's my best real-time cross-check read on Euro/CAD and a short horizon call. So, and here we have 5 to 10 minute call, very low confidence micro time frame. So direction slide upward bias, probabilistic tilt, not a certainty. Okay, it's not really sure about that, very low confidence. Okay, also here we see invalidation, what would prove me wrong fast, a quick slip below the round number zone 1.6200 with follow through would suggest momentum flipped and the micro BS fail, common around round number liquidity pockets. Okay, it's fine. This is not financial advice and certainly not a guarantee. Okay, I've rounded the call and left quotes in today's macro context. So we're gonna listen to ChatGPT. I'm gonna put 360 and open a buy trade for 5 minutes. Today we're gonna trade on a bit longer time frame. Okay, that looks pretty nice for now. So as we can see, the ChatGPT was not that sure about the situation and we're gonna understand it. So it was a downward trend before, it reached new support levels, start moving upward. It's as you can see, it's pretty big volatility here, at least on the M1 time frame. As you can see now, it's blue. What is going on here? So yeah, it could go in the upward direction because we're following the upward trends. So as you can see, the analyzing, at least for this situation, is not that great. But yeah, the idea that ChatGPT can generate ready-to-use profitable trading signals is a common misconception among traders. But in reality, of course, ChatGPT is not connected to real-time markets and cannot see live price quotes. So this means that the AI cannot accurately predict short-term price movements like professional trading algorithms or traders with access to live charts can. So as you can see, guys, it's more than 3 minutes till the end of a trade and we're still not on the plus. We got some reversal. So I'm thinking to open here a rollover. Yeah, we're risk kind of lot because we doubled our amount of money per trade, but we got extra 5 minutes for our price to reverse in case of something. Because yeah, I think we will not have enough time with 5 minutes. So yeah, ChatGPT, of course, can be useful in other areas of trading, and I'm also using it for example, for explaining strategies, because it can explain how indicator, candlestick patterns, and support resistance levels work as well. And it's really perfect because actually a lot of people ask me, Lisa, maybe you recommend some course, what we need to buy or something for trading. By the way, I don't have any courses, any products that I sell. Everything is free that I'm doing. And I'm recommending to all of my subscribers, just if you want to learn trading by yourself, you need to text to ChatGPT, please give me 30 days plan for trading from the zero. And it gives you all of the topics that you need to learn day by day. For example, the first day you learn about types of trading, about the platforms, about the time of the expiration, about time frames of the candles, and more. In the second day, you learn about support resistance levels. Boom, you go to the market on a demo account, you practice it right away. After, you go and learn what is the candlestick patterns. You also check it out in practice, you trade with this on demo account, and that's it. After, for example, you find some strategies, you also try it in the demo account, you check it with the ChatGPT also. For example, what is this indicator? How do I work with this? How do I get the signals from that and everything? And it's giving you absolutely everything really clear, but at the same time, you need to analyze all by yourself. Also, ChatGPT analyzing, of course, historical data. You can provide it with historical quotes or charts, for example, and it can help identify patterns. Also, for example, you can send some assets, some chart in real time, and ask ChatGPT, please, can you analyze it? Like really fully with all of the details and everything. So that's how you will also learn how to analyze the market. And it's pretty important, especially for beginners, because you don't know yet how to analyze the market step by step. And you need to have it step by step as the ChatGPT is texting you. Firstly, you look at the support resistance levels, then the candlestick patterns, the shadows of the candles, then the level, then the price right now, then some news and more and more. And then the indicators. And that's how you predict the future movement of the chart. And of course, not any indicators or ChatGPT or something can give you 100% profitable signals. It's not possible, guys, believe me. And even if you're a trader with 10 years experience, you still cannot predict the future movement of the chart for 100%. And every time when you make the decision, you literally short for like 60-70% based on the factors that you see. For example, here's the support level, now it's the reverse, the candles, candlestick patterns, indicators, and more. But at the same time, it could change in a minute. It could be some corrective candle or volatility or some news drop, for example, at this exact second or in the last minute of your trade, and it absolutely didn't work. Or for example, you will just not have a few seconds enough to close the trade in the plus, or just like, for example, -2 points to close the trade in the plus as well. So here's a lot of things that could go wrong. So you always need to understand that, first of all. And second of all, always have a plan B as a catch-up system or money management system as well together. So you need to use 1% of your deposit, like in perfect way. So that's how you minimize your risk. And you also can do some other trades. So that's how you cover your losings and still have a profit. But yeah, now guys, I'm not following the catch-up system, as you can see. And that's pretty bad because I opened this trade for $720. And if I will not close it, I will need to open a trade for all of the money on my balance. And that's it. Like, I almost don't have a choice for mistake, but I do it just to make better results in the videos, of course, but at the same time, I don't recommend it to anyone, and better to use only 1% of your deposit. I'm telling you about this in every video, so guys, follow it, please. Also, actually, ChatGPT can quickly organize economic news, company reports, major events, also that may impact the market, because actually, this is my most favorite thing to do, is to check the news by myself, finding it on the websites and everything. Then you go to another one, you need to find something specifically and blah blah blah. Oh my god, I hated this every time because I don't know. And I'm more into technical analysis, of course, and I think this is one of the reasons also why I trade with scalping and use technical analysis more, because I hate to analyze all of the news, company reports, major events, and everything is so boring back then. So that's why now I'm using ChatGPT. Just like give me all of the economic news, reports, everything that I need to know about, for example, this currency pair in this country or something else. So guys, now we have 2 minutes and 1 second till the end of trade. Let's see, we're doing pretty great. I hope it will not reverse in a different direction, but as you can see, it was the right decision to do a rollover, so our price is reversed already. So guys, we have 11 seconds to the end of our trade. Let's wait, but I'm sure we're gonna be in the profit. So that's perfect. So 3, 2, 1, and we close it in the plus. Of course. That was absolutely perfect. So we change our amount of money. Why not? Let's go wild a little bit. So we're gonna change the currency pair. So let's choose Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We put our text here again. Okay, we just need to change the currency pair, CAT and GPI. Okay, so here is the short answers, like up for this currency pair over the next 5 to 10 minutes. Probability is around 55 to 65 percentages for a small uptick measured in Japanese pips. Okay, it's saying expect a tiny move only unless an unexpected headline hits. Okay, here we have also live snapshots and cross-check. Why this like ABS, mechanics and drivers. Okay, pretty interesting. Okay, so for US dollar slash Japanese yen, strength is the largest immediate driver for Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, with American dollar and Japanese yen taking up that tends to push Canadian and Japanese yen higher, all else equal. Okay, also US dollar, Canadian dollar is flat to minus, so it is not offsetting the US dollar and Japanese move. So that leaves the cross to drift higher. So the next one, oil is modestly firmer today and stronger oil is typically supportive for the Canadian dollar, which also helps Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. So let's go to our chart and we're gonna open a trade up. That's such a great analyzing because I don't think that a lot of people would analyze it by themselves, of course. Also, the next one, no high impact Canadian dollar, Japanese yen headline scheduled in the next few minutes. Economic calendar show no immediate release that would materially change the micro picture. That lowers the odds of a sudden headline driven reversal in the 5 to 10 minutes window. Okay, perfect. So probabilities up around 55 to 65% probability, and down 35 to 45% probability. So we still have this one, as I told you before also. It's always like you short in some kind of this scenario more, but at the same time, there's another like 30-40% of the other move that could also be happening. So guys, our trade is going. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna change the amount if I will open the next one. So for now, it's going pretty well. So let's wait here. But what is also a cons of using ChatGPT for trading? First of all, no access to real-time markets because the AI cannot see current quotes or track real-time news. So its recommendations cannot be precise entry or exit signals. Also, no guarantee of profit, of course, because any signals it generates are based on theory and past data, but they don't account for current market conditions, volatility, or trader psychology. So also need to check it out. Or even if the AI checks that, or for example, you send them visually the market, it still could be not that clear as it should be. Then also, it doesn't account for human factors because real markets are heavily influenced by emotions, panic, hype, also and unexpected events. And ChatGPT, of course, cannot predict these moments. That's pretty sure. And of course, the AI may misinterpret data or provide outdated information. So if you will rely on it blindly, of course, it can lead to losses. So you need to be really, really careful with that. So guys, we have 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now we're in the plus, but it's fluctuating so close to our entry point. I like it, but let's wait. So guys, for now we have 30 seconds, and as you can see, our signal didn't work here, but it's fine. I'm not saying ChatGPT is really bad, but it just happens. And at the same time, we have the probability 35, I think, to 40% of our price going in the downward direction, so it's fine. So let's open then a sell signal here for 3 minutes for all of the amount that we have, but why not? Why not? Okay, the first trade, yeah, we're definitely not gonna close. So we're following now the other signal of the ChatGPT on this currency pair to going down, because now it's definitely the downward trend that started. So I hope it's gonna work pretty fine. And we open it, by the way, for 3 minutes, not for 5. So I hope it's gonna be great. So yes, let's see. So guys, for now we have 43 seconds with the end of a trade. I'm really excited. Oh my god. I was just literally looking at this trade, not talking, just because I'm so focused, and it's kind of close to our entry point right now. So I hope it's gonna be great. So what conclusion I want to give you guys that ChatGPT, of course, is a powerful tool for learning analyzes and also organizing information, but it's still not the tool for generating precise trading signals. So you can use it just as another instrument to analyze the market, but you still need to make the decision by yourself, because as you can see, this could happen as well. So now it's 5 seconds, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, it's 3, 2, 1, and no way. We just saved our money. Oh my god, we didn't make any profit. Okay, fine. We're gonna open another slow trade here for 2 minutes already. Yes, I'm risking a lot right now because as you can see, it's some upward movement started for like 3 candles, but at the same time, yeah, it should reverse as it did now because it's still the downward trend. It shouldn't reverse at this moment, so let's wait here. So now we have 30 seconds till the end. I was also just sitting looking at this trade, so everything would be fine. I didn't want to comment this anyhow. 20 seconds. Oh my god, this is so scary. It's minus 10 points. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Here it is. We made it, guys. It was so difficult. So yeah, guys, what I can say that ChatGPT is perfect. I use it daily actually, but mostly for analyzing, for getting some new knowledges and more. So of course, guys, it's better to learn every day so you get smarter day by day. And after, maybe you're gonna be even smarter than ChatGPT. Who knows? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you want a part 2 of trading with the ChatGPT, because I feel like it was not so many trades today. So yeah, and we will see each other on the next trading session. Bye bye.